Let's review the quarter three earnings season of the US market. 16.8%. Now that's the mean earnings growth that US companies had, especially in the S&P 500 bracket. The average revenue growth has been 8%. Now this is one of the best quarters that the US companies had in last 3 to 4 quarters. The earnings growth, over the last 3 to 4 quarters has been between 14 to 17%, and this has been a bombastic quarter for the US companies. Now, which sectors really led in this particular quarter? Technology clearly led the entire way. They grew their earnings by more than 29%, followed by financials again at 25%, and then multiple other sectors did extremely well. Industrials, real estate, materials, all of them growing by more than 20%. The only sector which didn't do well was energy sector, but they also have narrowed down their entire earnings decline which they were facing in the prior quarters. Now, what is the outlook from here on? So, US economy is still on an extremely strong footing. The expected growth rates again for the next year are in the range of about 13%. This year again, US companies will grow their earnings by more than 12.5%, except for the fact that the quarter four earnings growth is expected to be a little bit tepid at about roughly at about 8%. Final question is on the valuation. If you really look at valuations right now, US companies are fairly richly valued at this point in time, with a trailing earnings price earning ratio of about 25.7 times and the forward PE of about 22.7 times. So caution is a little bit warranted, but overall fantastic performance, especially in the US market, and that too led by technology and financial sector. Thanks for watching. This is Insight from CrispIdea.